Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. I hope everybody's enjoying the hot weather. Really warm it is at the minute. I remember the summer of 1976 when it was hot. It was just a hot summer. Of course now it's global warming and it's the end of the bloody world. Anyway, enjoy the weather while it's here because it won't be long before it's raining and we're cold and miserable again. Tonight's nightcaps. I've bought another steam engine to strip and rebuild. This time it's off a car, 1901 Locomobile steam car. The engine's in a bit of a state, but it is complete. There's a couple of videos showing you the unboxing, and then the second one I actually get it running on compressed air. If you go into Parenting channel, that's 2 or 3 more episodes of it stripping and rebuilding various bits and pieces of it. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. It really wants to go into a vehicle of some type or a motorbike. It's going to be used for something. Right, that's enough talk. Let's have a look and see exactly what I get up to. I've met some really nice people through my YouTube channel and through the sort of steam circle of steam people. One guy in particular, a lad called Pete Mellor. The lad will do anything for you, absolutely anything at all, but he has got one bad habit, and the habit is he looks on eBay and Marketplace and the steam forums, and he always finds nice things to buy. And then what he does is he waits till about 10 o'clock, messages me knowing full well I've probably had a bottle of red wine, and he sends us these links to things that he thinks I should buy. This happened last week with this particular item, and I did message the guy, and within half an hour it was mine. It's just turned up from the courier today. And great reveal. It's nearly my wedding anniversary, 45 years it is. I'm sure Deb would like this. Certainly gets 10 out of 10 for packaging. Beautiful summer's evening it is here now. Lovely sunny and warm already. Oh, it's all wrapped up. I don't have to take the sides off so we can actually get into it. Any idea what it is yet? Peek there. It's the most well packaged thing I've ever had, without a doubt. Right, possibly you can see what it is now. 1.5 steam engines. It's actually a Locomobile steam car engine. It's complete, it turns over. It'll probably want to rebuild, but it's the real thing there. Probably about 1901, so it's getting back a little bit. Just the right size for me, because I should be able to lift it no problem. It's not light, but it's not that heavy. It's half an engine. As you can see, it's a twin cylinder slide valve engine with Stevenson reverse gear, big end bearings, main bearings. I'm not sure what sort of bearings they are. We'll have a look. Possibly the first thing to do is clean it off, make sure there's nothing broken, and give it some compressed air and see if it'll run. There's tons of wear in all these linkage. It's nice to be able to make new pins and take some of the wear away. I don't know what I'm going to do with it other than play with it. but it does move. Getting a better place so I can make it move. It's making steam engine noises as well. Quite a long stroke. They reckon I had colossal amounts of torque. These. This is a later one. The earlier ones had a brass frame. This one's obviously cast. It's got on there patent applied for, and I think there's a number in there. Say we'll have a look. It hasn't been bastardised by the look of it. It's sort of just what it is. An engine number on there, or a chassis number, or a serial number. I'll come in a bit closer. Right, that's the number. There is a forum for these engines. I'll go on there and have a look. All in all, I'm very happy. Exactly what I expected, as the lad described it. Dirty but complete. The bronze exhaust manifold there. That's one of the original mountings, I would imagine. Possibly their mountings on the back of there, I'm not sure. We'll need to make a frame for it. But I think the first thing I have to say is we'll get it washed off, oil it up, make sure nothing broken, nothing going to get broken, and then we can have it running. All these rods will polish up nicely. I like it a lot. I'm not really sure what this is off. But it was sort of in with a deal, I couldn't resist it. I cleaned things up a little bit. I made sure I have nothing loose, nothing going to get broke. And I put some compressed air on it, and it moved half a turn one way and then locked up solid, half a turn the other way, locked up solid. You can't turn the engine over by hand with no compressed air on. I think the valve timing's out. As one of the valve control rods there is loose, the check nuts come loose. Like I said, it goes half a turn. And what I've been doing is turning the engine by that sprocket there, and it's got my hand absolutely knackered. So what I've done a drone. We'll go up the garage and see if we can cut a spanner out, because there's a hex there to fit that hex. And that's what we've come up with. Just a bit of 5mm plate. So now I can turn the engine over and I can look at the valve timing and see exactly what's going on. There's a lot of wear on things, there's a lot of wear on the crankshaft. There's wear everywhere. The cylinder bores are excellent. The steam forward paces. The cylinder bores are excellent, and the port faces are nice and flat. So there's nothing here that we can't sort out. But before I strip it, I want to get it running. I know they don't run very well without the flywheel on, but it should at least run back and forward. So now I can have a look and see what the valve timing's doing and go from there. Right, we'll give it a little bit of wind and see what happens this time. Not a lot. The last thing I want to do is get my hands jammed in the bastard thing. I need to build a stand for it and put a chain on there so that I've got a bit of inertia. It's wanting to, but it's going the other way there. I don't understand really. really happening. Like it's steam locked somehow. See, I don't want to strip it until I've had the bastard thing running. Aye, right. I've had enough now. Knackered fucking steam engines. Right.